Hey guys, today in this video we're going to be looking at AI interaction, how it works and the different settings there are that you can play about with. But AI interaction is basically allows two AI to interact with one another. So this guy's going to go over to this guy and then they're going to have a chat. So we're just going to be looking at settings for that today. So I'm just going to select this guy and we're going to select our AI component and we're going to search for AI interact. So we have our AI animations. So these are the animations the AI will use when he's in this behavior if this is ticked true. If not, the default animations are just used. So if you want special animations when they're in this behavior, you can set all of those in here. Then next we've got a few settings here. So we've got can AI interact. This basically tells other AI that your AI is open to being spoken to or being interacted with. If this was disabled, this guy would just not be able to talk to him, so he would go off and find someone else or just wander around. So that's kind of what enables the system. Only interact with AI teams, so that means that he'll only interact with AI that have these tags down here. So if that's true, this AI will only interact with AI that have the AI1 tag, for example. And you can add more here, you can remove them. Next we've got the AI interact range. So this is basically the distance the AI will look for someone to interact with. So by default it's 15 meters. Of course you can increase that if you'd like. Then we have our AI interact time deviation. So we have our AI interact time here. Time deviation just adds or minuses to the interact time to give some randomization, and then our interact time is what controls how long the AI are interacting for. So by default we've got it set to 10 seconds. Here we've got our interact animations. So what we basically have here is interact 1 is the animation that this guy is going to play, that we have selected now, and 2 is going to be the animation that this guy plays. So this kind of allows you to set specific animations as like a response to another animation. So we have a few set here, just different talking animations, and you can add more if you'd like. So that's just all in our AI interact animations. We've got our order that the animations are played in. By default this is just random. You can set it to in order if you'd like. Then we've got loop order animations. So basically this is set to in order. This is set to in order. It'll play through, so it'll play this one, then it'll play this one, then it'll play this one. But the interact time might not be finished yet, so the AI will just kind of stand there because they don't have any more animations to play. If loop order anims is on, they'll basically just start over again, start playing the animations until their interact time runs out. Next we've got our in between behavior. So that is basically once these guys have interacted with each other, the interact time's finished. This is the behavior that they both go into before going to find another AI to interact with. So you could have this set as something like roam. So essentially what will happen is after they've interacted, this AI will roam. He'll roam for 15 seconds and then he'll go back to looking for a new person to interact with. Then we have our interact reaction settings. I've gone through, there's a separate video for reaction settings, so if you need to find out about that, I suggest taking a look at that. But that's pretty much all our settings here. So if you have any questions or anything you need to know, please let me know in the comments or join our Discord, and I'll do my best to help you out. So thank you for watching.